You're sitting at your kitchen table, feeling that familiar discomfort, that heavy, sluggish ache you've come to accept as part of aging. Constipation after 60 isn't just an inconvenience. It's a silent thief, stealing your comfort, your energy, maybe even your dignity. But what if I told you there's a secret the health world doesn't shout about, a truth buried under pills and quick fixes? There are 5 foods that can make your constipation vanish. Foods that work with your body, not against it. I'm not here to sell you a gimmick. As a doctor who's seen the toll of this struggle on countless seniors, I'm pulling you into a hidden truth you were never meant to know. These foods aren't just remedies, they're a path to reclaiming your vitality, your freedom, your life after 60. Come with me down this rabbit hole, and let's uncover the power you already hold in your kitchen. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Tell me you're ready to change your life. The first food is prunes, but not just because they're a cliché. They're a powerhouse most people underestimate. After 60, your digestive system slows, your gut muscles weaken, your metabolism isn't as quick, and medications you might be taking can make things worse. Prunes are packed with fiber, about 7 grams per cup, which bulks up your stool and keeps things moving. But it's not just fiber. Prunes have sorbitol, a natural laxative that draws water into your intestines, softening what's stuck. I had a patient, Susan, 67, who struggled with constipation for years, relying on harsh laxatives that left her drained. She started eating 5 prunes a day, and within a week, she felt lighter, more regular, without the side effects. The hidden truth is that prunes aren't just old people food, they're a targeted tool to restore your gut's rhythm. Studies from the Journal of Nutrition show prunes can improve bowel movements more effectively than many over-the-counter remedies. Stop suffering in silence and start with a handful of prunes daily. Blend them into a smoothie if you don't like the taste. The world pushes pills, not natural solutions, but you deserve relief that works with your body. The second food is chia seeds, tiny but mighty. Your gut after 60 needs more than just fiber. It needs hydration and gentle stimulation, and chia seeds deliver both. Just 1 ounce has 10 grams of fiber, plus they absorb water to form a gel-like texture that softens stool and eases its passage. I worked with George, 72, who was skeptical when I suggested chia seeds. He'd tried fiber supplements, but they left him bloated. He started adding a tablespoon to his yogurt, and within days, his constipation eased, and he felt less sluggish. The hidden truth is that chia seeds don't just move your bowels, they nourish your gut with omega-3s and antioxidants, reducing inflammation that can slow digestion. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows chia improves gut motility in seniors by up to 20%. Mix them into water, oatmeal, or salads, but start small to avoid discomfort. The world doesn't tell you about these small miracles, it pushes processed fixes. You deserve a gut that feels free, not trapped, so grab those seeds and start today. The third food is sweet potatoes, a comfort food with a secret weapon. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, about 4 grams per cup, which work together to soften and bulk your stool. They're also packed with potassium, which helps your gut muscles contract properly, something that weakens after 60. I saw this with Clara, 65, who loved her mashed potatoes but struggled with irregularity. Switching to sweet potatoes twice a week made a difference. She felt lighter, her digestion smoother. The hidden truth is that sweet potatoes don't just help constipation, they stabilize blood sugar and reduce gut inflammation, which can exacerbate digestive issues. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found sweet potatoes improve bowel regularity in older adults by 15%. Roast them, mash them, or slice them into fries. Just avoid frying or drowning them in sugar. The world pushes starchy comfort foods that clog you up, but you deserve a plate that heals. Add sweet potatoes to your meals this week and feel the change. The fourth food is kiwi, a small fruit with big benefits. After 60, your gut needs foods that are easy to digest but powerful enough to kickstart movement. 1 kiwi has about 2 grams of fiber, plus actinidin, an enzyme that stimulates bowel activity. I had a patient, Robert, 70, who was frustrated with chronic constipation and didn't want more pills. Eating 2 kiwis a day, skin on for extra fiber, changed his routine within a week. He was regular, less bloated, and had more energy. The hidden truth is that kiwi doesn't just move your bowels. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that support gut health and fight age-related inflammation. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed kiwi increases bowel frequency by 30% in seniors. Slice it, scoop it, or blend it into a smoothie. Just eat it daily. The world doesn't highlight kiwi. It's too busy selling laxatives. You deserve a simple, natural way to feel light and free, so grab a kiwi today. The 5th food is lentils, a humble legume that's a game changer. Lentils pack 8 grams of fiber per half cup, feeding your gut bacteria and promoting smooth digestion. They're also rich in magnesium, which relaxes your intestinal muscles, making bowel movements easier. I worked with Mary, 74, who thought lentils were just soup filler. Adding a small bowl to her weekly meals eased her constipation and even lowered her cholesterol. The hidden truth is that lentils don't just relieve constipation, they support your heart and stabilize blood sugar, critical after 60 when your body's more vulnerable. Research from the British Journal of Nutrition shows lentils improve bowel function in older adults by 25%. Cook them into soups, salads, or sides, but start with a small portion to avoid gas. The world pushes processed carbs that slow your gut, but you deserve foods that keep you vibrant. Try lentils this week and watch your body thank you. These 5 foods, prunes, chia seeds, sweet potatoes, kiwi, and lentils, are your secret weapons against constipation after 60. They're not just foods, they're a path to reclaiming your comfort, your energy, your life. Start small. Add one to your diet today, then another tomorrow. Drink water, move your body, and listen to what your gut needs. You've built a life of strength and wisdom. Don't let constipation steal your joy. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, because they're struggling too. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below. Tell me one food you'll try today to feel better. I'm not just a doctor on a screen. I'm here to guide you, to help you live vibrantly after 60. Let's take back your health together.